Ever wonder how much time is spent cleaning up the house? Or how much a busy schedule can interfere with maintaining a clean and organized living space? In today's fast-paced world, every minute counts, and cleaning often takes a back seat to more pressing tasks. Introducing the ultimate solution to cleaning in a busy world: robotic vacuum cleaners. These are not just ordinary vacuum cleaners. They are state-of-the-art AI-powered devices designed to make life easier, cleaner, and more time-efficient. Robotic vacuum cleaners are not a new phenomenon, but advances in technology have made them more efficient and accessible than ever before. They are equipped with sensors to navigate around your home, avoiding obstacles and ensuring every inch of your floor is spotless. No longer will you have to worry about missing a spot or wasting precious time on repetitive chores. These devices are not only designed for vacuuming. Some models offer a range of cleaning functions, including mopping and sweeping. Imagine coming home to a clean, dust-free house without lifting a finger. Isn't that a dream come true? And the best part? They can be scheduled to clean at any time. Whether you're at work, running errands, or even sleeping, your robotic vacuum cleaner can be hard at work, ensuring your home is clean and tidy when you return. Now, think about the time that could be saved. Instead of spending hours each week vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping, you could be using that time for more important tasks. Whether it's spending quality time with family, working on a passion project, or simply relaxing, robotic vacuum cleaners give you the freedom to reclaim your time. But it's not just about time saving. A clean environment contributes to better mental and physical health. Less dust and allergens in the home can reduce the risk of allergies and respiratory problems. Plus, a clean, clutter-free space can boost productivity and reduce stress. To summarize, the ultimate solution to cleaning in a busy world is a robotic vacuum cleaner. These devices offer a range of benefits, from saving time to improving health. They're easy to use, efficient, and can work independently, allowing you to reclaim your time and focus on the things that truly matter. In a world where time is the most valuable commodity, it's essential to find ways to streamline tasks and maximize efficiency. Robotic vacuum cleaners offer an innovative solution, merging technology and convenience to create a cleaner, healthier living environment. So why not embrace this technology and make the most of your precious time? After all, time saved is time earned.